Power output changes when traveling, but your power needs don't. I'm Brittany with WTI, and I needed this Key Power 230-watt step downer on our trip out of the country. This has multiple adapter options for many different countries. Where we were, we had an output of 220, and in order to protect our staff, we needed the power monitored and stepped down to 110. What I appreciate about this product is that it will tell you if it will protect something or not. When I tried to plug in my steamer, it went red and stopped any power from going to it and possibly damaging it. You can hear the fan start when you have the right item plugged in, and it's going to protect it. It is primarily perfect for charging your devices like earbuds, phone, tablet, watch, and so much more. Wherever you want to visit, this step downer can give you peace of mind. And that's my point of view.